Hey guys, this is Margarita, your girl from Go Dominican Live. Today I'm in one of the best beachfront residentials in between Sosua and Cabarete, and I want to show you this amazing house. Are you ready to come and have a look? Come on in. This is the best spot to entertain with your friends and family around this amazing arty table made here in the Dominican Republic. Do you see this amazing staircase? I think I feel like Juliet and I'm waiting for my Romeo. Let's look at the rest of the house. I almost feel like royalty. Hey guys, I think this must be how royalty watches TV. Salud. I know I'm not a cook, but isn't this the most amazing kitchen? You could do a super fine dinner with all of your friends here, and I will come for dinner, but I won't be the one who will cook. So this house has 4 bedrooms and 4 baths, all en suite, and another half bath for visitors. Come and have a look. Your side, my side, I take the whole bed. All the bedrooms are individually air conditioned, and they all have beautiful high ceilings. This beautiful master suite is made for me. Did you see the hot tub and the beautiful walk-in closet? And of course, I'm Mrs. Always Right. Come and look at the terrace with a beautiful view of the greenery. Shoot, I didn't bring my bikini, but come and look at this yard and beautiful pool and wonderful views. So you can see, living in the Dominican Republic can also be living in luxury. This house has it all. Even if a study, if you want to work just a little bit. So you know what to do. Give us a like, subscribe, click on the link here below for more information, and don't forget to share with all of your friends. Bye.